Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Sand and Sky Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment by Sand and Sky, which is an Australian company. And right now it's the #1 release in facial exfoliators. A little bit about Sand and Sky, or about this product. It's a triple action exfoliating flash mask. You resurface and mattify your skin. It's a 5-minute in-shower treatment to boost your glow. Made in Australia using 100% Australian ingredients, cruelty-free, and zero nasties. So it's a clean product and, once again, bunny friendly, which is very, very wonderful to hear. So basically, this is a 3-in-1 miracle worker that a combination of Australian antioxidants and botanical oils and AHA-rich fruit extracts. The flash treatment detoxes, exfoliates, and resurfaces, and also invigorates your skin all in one go. So the detox part of it is that the clay is a powerful magnet to remove toxins, pollutions, impurities from deep within the skin, eliminates annoying shine, and helps regulate oil production. The second part is the exfoliating and resurfacing. Physical and chemical exfoliants team up to smooth and resurface the skin. Bamboo and macadamia seed remove dry and dull skin for instant softness. At the same time, the powerful AHA in the Australians' finger lime speeds up the cell turnover for a fresh-faced and gorgeous glow. So, and then the third part of it is that it invigorates. It's rich in antioxidants, rosehip, grapeseed oil, olive oils, and it nourishes the skin and restores radiance. Meanwhile, witch hazel helps tighten the pores and perks up tired skin. Now, they say to use this in the shower to exfoliate and then leave it on for 5 minutes. I found that was a little too long for my skin because I actually used it in conjunction with their pink clay mask the same day. I think it was a little bit too much exfoliation. My skin got dry and flaky around my mouth, and it was kind of like I put my face through an Olympics game, or a game of a triathlon of Olympics, and my skin wasn't having it. So I've started to use this a couple times a week in the shower, leaving it on for only about a minute to a minute and a half instead of the 5 minutes that you can leave it on. Now, I'm not saying don't take advantage of using it for 5 minutes. They've even suggested using it on one day and then the next day or 2 days later using the mask. So to separate them a little bit to keep your face from getting too dry or too flaky, which is kind of what position I put myself in. I put myself in a position where it got flaky and dry, and I was kind of stripping my skin of all of the impurities, and your skin needs some oil and it needs to function normally. I was, giving myself a facial, and so I thought, hey, why not leave it on 5 minutes? Let's leave it on 10. I actually left it on 10, I'm going to be honest. So that was a little too long. So follow the directions. They're usually the right thing to do. So how you use it, you can use it, it's ideal for the shower. So cleanse your skin before applying your Flash Perfection exfoliating treatment. I use a dermatologist recommended face wash that I've been using for about 8 years, and it's called Neostrata. It's pH balanced and it keeps my face blemish free. It's sad that in my mid-late 30s that I still have to worry about acne, but the occasional pimple will come up, but it's not that bad, so I can live with it. But my wash is really good, so I'll wash first, and then with this apply this to moist skin and massage for 30 seconds. And you want to avoid the eye area. Always avoid the eye area, especially because this has gritty things in it to exfoliate. So leave the Flash Perfection exfoliating treatment on for 5 minutes. Like I said, 30 seconds, 5 minutes, depends on what you want to get into. It's your choice. And then rinse with warm water and pat dry. Voila! Perfect skin. For combination to oily skin, they suggest to use it 1 to 3 times per week. For dry, sensitive skin, up to 3 times a week. It's kind of the same thing, using it 1 to 3 times, so up to 3 times. It's not saying to use it more than 3 times a week. For acne-prone skin, they say to do a patch test on your inner elbow 48 hours before use. If the skin is inflamed by the smooth exfoliating treatment, basically a patch test on your elbow 48 hours for use for skin that is inflamed, smooth the exfoliating treatment over the skin, the surface of the skin without scrubbing, and let it sit for 5 minutes. So that will give you a indication if you're allergic to it or if it's a problem. So I think I'm one of the first girls on the block to get into this product. I use it on my husband. Don't tell anybody. I'm just telling you. Really, honestly, check it out. Don't take my word for it. The Sand and Sky Pink Australian Clay Flash Perfection exfoliating treatment that mattifies and invigorates, being a good transformation with some hyperpigmentation that I have on my cheeks, and this seems to be helping. So Australian made, brought to the United States, and it's a great product. I would rate it a solid 5 out of 5. So like I always say, don't take my word for it, try it yourself, and thanks so much for watching.